Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Authorize.net Payment Gateway, my online transaction experience. Authorize.net Payment Gateway is a service that allows businesses to accept credit card and electronic check payments online. It's primarily aimed at e-commerce businesses, both large and small, needing a reliable and secure way to process transactions. Key features include fraud prevention tools, recurring billing options, and customer information management. Their website provides details on various pricing plans and features. Authorize.net emphasizes security and reliability, promising a robust platform for handling sensitive financial data. They highlight ease of integration with various shopping carts and e-commerce platforms. While they don't advertise no contracts explicitly, their pricing structure appears to be subscription-based with different tiers based on transaction volume. They leverage established payment processing technology, ensuring compatibility with various payment methods. You can find more details and check for specific features on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Authorize.net Payment Gateway. Setting up the account was surprisingly straightforward. The online documentation was helpful, and I was able to integrate it with my test online store within a couple of hours. Navigating the interface was also pretty intuitive. The dashboard provides a clear overview of recent transactions, settlement information, and key performance indicators. I particularly appreciated the detailed reporting features, allowing me to easily track sales and identify any potential issues. Testing transactions was smooth, and the virtual terminal feature was a convenient way to process manual payments. In terms of performance, it felt reliable and fast, with transactions processing quickly without any noticeable delays. I did have a quick question about customizing the payment form, and their support team responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how customizable the payment gateway is, allowing me to match the look and feel of my website. The standout feature for me was definitely the robust fraud prevention tools, offering various filters and settings to minimize risk. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for managing transactions on the go. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for recurring billing, but once I figured it out, it worked flawlessly. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Authorize.net. It provides a reliable and secure payment gateway solution with a decent feature set and responsive customer support. That's my overview of Authorize.net Payment Gateway, my online transaction experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.